Good morning. Oh my God, Monday morning. Sun is trying to show its face. First one of the day, old school KTM Duke. This one I picked up last week in London. It's been sitting for some time. Yeah, fella thought he would treat it to a bit of Trott loving before he gets it all serviced. She's doesn't look like she's been cleaned in a while. Not terrible, but nice little bit of detailing. She's gonna look sweet. Get this swing arm all polished up. Looking a little dull. Get all these wheels minted. Get some ACF 50. Get the exhaust polished. The usual bits and pieces. We shall touch up a few rusty nuts and bolts here and there. See if we can sort out that exhaust back there. These polish up real nice. Nice metal that comes up like a mirror. Touch up these rusty nuts and bolts. Like I said, get some ACF 50 on it afterwards just so it's protected. We'll neutralize any rust that's on there at the moment. Silly little things like this. We'll paint those and then we'll brush them with ACF 50. Get this caliper all minted. Not too bad a shape, just needs that bit of detailing. Little things like the edge of this disc looks terrible. All right, give me a couple of hours. I'll have her all prettied up again. Okay, there you go. 2 hours on the dot. This KTM Duke has been trotted. Looking sweet. Oh, she's cleaned up well. Look at that. Full Trott Valet. Meticulously cleaned all these wheels. All the engine's been cleaned. ACF 50'd. All the pipes have been polished. Touched up a load of rusty nuts and bolts. Swing arm polished. Old chain lube. Degreased, blow dried, re-lubed. All the plastics have been dressed. All up underneath the seats, all cleaned. I touched up a load of rusty nuts and bolts. Polished up the kickstart. Your brake lever and your gear shifter. Touched up some rusty nuts and bolts, put extra ACF 50 on those. All the front caliper's been minted up. Looking good. 2 hours on the dot. Don't forget I'm open 7 days a week. Satisfaction always guaranteed. 07966249963.